getting close to showtime. He showed up to race.
This is a lot of fun! I gotta make some money!
And wreck.
No!
And demolish. No, it's not like that. But it's looking good. It's looking good. How the mods going?
I don't know what else to do. I don't know, because I can't spray paint for nothing. I don't know how to spray paint. So I'm not artistic.
You never learned.
I know, I never learned. So I've got this whole side I gotta do something with.
Alright, let's see what it looks like.
So I gotta find something to do.
At least your wheels are white. Those will be fast.
I got white walls. Look like I've been eating Fritos or Cheetos. Yeah, I got an orange.
Dangerously
Cheetos
cheesy.
fingers. Yeah. Now,
That was good. This is all the best high performance vehicles. Oh, look at that. Yeah! In your face! High performance. I feel it. I think it's a good thing that they put high octane in this one. Are we running diesel?
Heard they stopped at the airport, filled them all up.
Woo. I got a half tank. I can go to Lexington and back. The whole idea is going to be to roll around everybody, let them crash themselves out. I'm here to win. I'm in it to win it.
That's what I said earlier. You weren't here to paint. You're here to win. I think it's fine.
I let the winning do the talking. So here's what we do. Right off the line. Just start crashing people. This has been my plan all along. Start crashing people. But you gotta hit them in the back. You gotta reverse
from
them.
behind. Right. All right. So what's your strategy?
strategy is to. I want to win.
Oh yeah, but
I'm competitive.
I know. I would want to win too if I was doing it. But you know, everybody's got a little strategy.
I don't know.
Anything you're thinking?
No. You know what I was thinking actually on the way here? Mentally, I am programmed to think that if a car comes near me, to turn away from it, not to turn into it. Or for me to get next to a car, don't hit it. You think that, because I've been, it's like, this is the one time I got to get it out of my head. I'm allowed to hit people, this is not my car, damage, damage, damage. So I got to think bumper cars, bingo.
Ooh.
Bumper cars.
But if you keep that evasive mindset, that could work for you. But,
Yes.
I mean, offense is fun.
Yes, offense is fun. That's the whole point of doing this, is the offense.
Well, maybe they'll take pity and be like, man, that's the best looking car here. I'll hit that maybe not as hard as everybody else.
One could hope.
Yeah.
Really? Okay, here we go. It's on video. Let's see. Waiver does blah, 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 blah. Bodily harm, pre-existing conditions, injury, trauma, death. Got it. Great. Perfect. Okay, signing here. Great.
Can you see your blind spot?
I like this. They've already filled everything.
You have a blind spot?
He doesn't have
I'm all
anything that's
blind.
not a blind spot.
We're legal now. All right. We can do these celebrity dumpsters derby now here.
All right, so if you get a chance.
TP, give me a thumbs up. Yeah, that helmet looks fast.
There.
Competition!
Yeah, we do things.
Oh,
Hey,
on Facebook Live at least. Are you doing that?
I got my face.
Nah, we're too good for that.
Here's your face, right here's your face. There, look at that. There's your face.
You're trying to be aggressive right now, and I really just kind of like it.
I know.
Should have got one of those.
It's so sick, man.
So what was that one song we used to do? You had the helmet on stage and
She's going the distance.
yeah,
She's going
thumping
for
and
speed.
bumping and thumping.
taste in my mouth.
What happened? You got the cool car. Yours has popping sounds and cool stuff and smoke. Nobody's gonna have anything cool like that.
Woo! Cynthia is cheating. Is that her name? Sandy?
Yeah, sure.
Sherry? Sherry? Shonda? Cynthia? Cindy? You? He's cheating!
I figure you need to be very alert and awake and smoking. That's an investment. Don't mess with the investment.